The Journey of the Soul, Part 2. The following evening, the villagers eagerly returned to hear the continuation of Isi's story. Nana Ifua welcomed them with a warm smile and began where she had left off. Essie had traversed many lifetimes, each one a unique experience, adding layers of wisdom to her understanding. Finally, Essie was born as Zuri, a quiet child in a peaceful village. From a young age, Zuri displayed an unusual sense of awareness. She often sat by the river, contemplating the flow of water and the reflections it held. One day, as she gazed into the river's depths, she experienced a profound realization. In that moment, Zuri saw that every life she had lived was like a drop of water in the vast river of existence. Each drop, though distinct, was part of the same endless flow. She understood that the hardships and joys, the separations and reunions, were all expressions of the same infinite consciousness. With this revelation, Zuri felt a deep sense of peace and unity. She began to share her insights with the villagers, teaching them about the journey of the soul and the interconnectedness of all life. Her words brought comfort and inspiration, reminding everyone that they were not separate beings, but manifestations of the same divine essence. The villagers were captivated by Zuri's wisdom. They listened intently as she explained, "Each life we live is a step on the path of understanding. We must embrace our experiences, for they are the teachers that guide us back to our true essence. When we see through the illusion of separation, we recognize that we are all one, interconnected in the boundless river of existence." Zuri's teachings transformed the village. People began to live with greater awareness and compassion. They supported each other through hardships, celebrated each other's joys, and found a deep sense of unity in their shared existence. The village thrived, becoming a beacon of harmony and wisdom for neighboring communities. As Nana Ifua concluded the tale, she looked at the gathered villagers with a serene smile. "Remember," she said, "we are all on a journey, much like Isi. Each experience, each life, is a lesson leading us back to our true essence. Embrace the journey, and you will find that we are all one, interconnected in the boundless river of existence." And so, the villagers carried Nana Ifua's story in their hearts, living each day with greater awareness, compassion, and unity, knowing that they were all part of the same magnificent journey.